Hi and hello everyone. One thing very important introduced with Python 3.8 is its syntax warning, and it is really helpful because it specifically identifies what is being wronged in the syntax. Now let's see this. This is a type error when I just ran this function, but I do not get specifically about what is being wrong in this function that I've created. It has data. It has a tuple that is being created, then the tuple is being printed, and then a new object where this function is created and then printed. But we do not specifically get what is wrong in this, what is missed that is creating the syntax error. Now let me do this. I add the comma. I knew about it that the comma was missing, and rerun it. Now this is created and the output is there. Let's do this in Python 3.8 environment. Again, this is the same function, and you notice here that this is without comma. I just clear the screen and rerun it again. Python syntax underscore the warning.py, and you can see here it's a tuple. Object is not callable. Perhaps you missed a comma. So you can see this is the big improvement that has come in terms of the warning, syntax warning being created. A lot of time there is a very minor thing that we miss in the code and we do not get, or it takes a lot of time to figure out what is being missed in the code. And once we identify, it's like how can I miss that? So this is being introduced with Python 3.8, and you can really use this to identify what is being missing and just update that immediately, and this will save you a lot of time. So this is one of the greatest reason of updating to Python 3.8 in my opinion. Perhaps there may be different instructors saying different thing, but in my opinion this is one of the greatest features in Python 3.8. Okay, so let's update this with the comma and rerun the code. Saving it and rerunning the code. Python syntax underscore warning.py, and it created the output. I hope now you have a better understanding of syntax warning in Python 3.8 and you love this feature. Perhaps if you have any questions regarding this, you can send me over by email on Udemy or any other platform where you find this video. And thank you for watching.